Hi, besties. Welcome to a day in my life, in the life of a pretty little girl. Yes, I know I'm not little, okay? So, today I want to take you guys to the market, like to the biggest market here in Douala, Cameroon. Like, if you're in Cameroon and you want to shop your shoes, slippers, yes, you can come to Marché Douche at Aqua. Yes. So this Carrefour is Repita de Sœur Lokpon where I get my bike to the market. Yeah, I was already on my way to the market and it was raining. Like it was raining, but I didn't have any choice because it was Sunday. Sunday is the only day I have the chance to go to the market to do whatever shopping I have because I work from Monday to Saturday. So Sunday is the only day I have. Yeah, I know it's kind of stressful, but no, voila. When I go to the market, well, some shops were closed while some were open. So at this point, I was already in the market. Look at guys, if you come to this market, it's very cheap. Like the prices ranges from the lowest. Yes, if you want the least affordable things, you can come. Least affordable shoes, you can come to this market. They sell varieties, they sell in bulk. Yeah. So I'm just taking you through the market. Stay tuned because I will be showing you guys the things I bought from the market when I get home. Yeah, so we have unboxing. We have a lot of unboxing too because I promise you I'm going to get a lot of stuff. I have to buy shoes. I have to buy slippers. From here I'll be going to Marché Central. So Marché Central, yes, that's where they sell dresses. That's where they sell wears, any kind of wear you want. If you want to buy it in bulk, if you are a retailer, you want to buy to go and resell, you can come to Marché Central and get it there. At this point, I will just show you all these beautiful slippers here. Look at they have hems, like the quality is just top notch. It's everything. I bought a pair of slippers there, and I'm going to be showing you when I get home. So, like I said, stay tuned, guys, because you don't want to miss any of these. Thank you for your love, for your support. Please, if you are watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And God bless you. Thank you. Hey guys, so welcome back. So we are done shopping for shoes and slippers, and here we have moved to the another market, Marché Central. In this Marché Central, like if you want to buy dresses, maybe to go and resell, or maybe for a good rate, like a cheaper rate, you can come to Marché Central. You have all the qualities there. It's actually, I think it's the second biggest market here in Dollar. Yes. From what I heard, the second biggest market. So at this shop, I bought just one dress here. I think it's a frock wear. Is that even how they call it? It's frock wear something. Don't worry, like I said, just stay tuned. When I get home, I'm going to be trying some of the outfits I bought willingly, and those ones I bought out of Sweet Mountain because those guys, those people that do the sell, gosh, they are good. They are really good in what they do. So I'm going to be trying some of the outfits when I get home, and I'm going to show you the one I bought. Like I bought it myself. The one I bought it out of the fact that they were nice, kind, sweet, yeah, and I fell for it. Okay, I went left and I went to the shop. Oh god, there's this. I have this thing like before going to the market. I have a list of things I'll get from the market. Yeah, so before coming here, actually, I knew I was going to get like two jean trousers, like 5,000. That's the price I put, 5,000 francs each. But when I got here, the kind of jean I chose got last price is 9,000 francs. So what I did was I bought just one jean trouser and one top. And their top ranges from 4,000 francs, 5,000, 6,000, 7, even 8,000 francs. But I bought a top here for 4,000 francs. It was quite cheap, but so I got it here, but it was worth it, trust me. The jean trouser plus the top, it's worth it here. When I get home, I'm going to show you everything. These guys here, they have a lot of quality jeans, like sizes, all the sizes, they have it. Voilà. Tu as dit canne ici et le marron aussi. Tu vois?
Même prix.
Même pas 3 mais. Je veux beaucoup les choses. Pourquoi tu fais les choses comme ça, moi?
Il faut que le prix de l'amour.
C'est même pas le prix de l'amour.
Le prix de l'amour.
Je vois pas comme le prix de... Hey guys, so your baby girl was ready home, and guys, we have a lot of unboxing. I can't believe, like, I actually did a lot of shopping today. Like, I bought a lot of things. But the main reason why I did the shopping today was because I wanted to buy my dresses that I can use to go to work. Yeah. So I actually bought, I'm just happy because I bought, yeah, what I wanted. Even though there's some there I bought that I didn't actually want it. So we're going to be trying some of the outfits and some of the dresses from Zara. I bought some from the good shop. Here's so nice and expensive quality things. You like the skirts, yeah, some of the gowns. I'm going to show you too. And guys, look at these slippers. I think I showed you when I was in market. I actually showed you guys the slippers. Fendi. Oh god, I bought these slippers for 8,000 francs. 8,000 francs. Like, they said if I had even I was taking like 2 pair, they would have given me for 7,000 francs each. But since I took just 1 pair, they gave me for 8,000. Look at the slippers now. Original. I love it. I love it so much. And this top, oh god, I don't know why I bought this top, but anyway, it's for my casual wear, so it's cool. I just bought it. I just like it. It was 3,000 francs that I bought it. Besides, I'm going to be even the trouser I'm putting on, this black trouser, I bought it for 1,000 francs because the way the man almost, he wanted to put it in like I don't understand. Anyway, shall we move? Okay, this top I bought 2 different color, and this is a jean trouser that I bought for 9,000 francs. This jean trouser, I don't mind the way it is. So it's very good. It's actually, it's nice, soft. It's comfortable. Yeah, that's why I bought it. And guys, look at this top. I think I showed you in the video when yeah, I bought this top for 4,000 francs where I got a jean, and I bought this skirt for 5,000 francs. I bought this top for 5,000 francs. The skirt, the dress is just giving this kind of office, no, like this kind of anti-vibe things. But I like it. Like, I like the quality. And I bought this skirt, like it's my casual wear, so I just like it. I bought it for yes, I finally bought a skirt for 3,500, but the person said he actually priced me for 4,000, but I bought it for 3,500. And guys, see this dressing. Oh god, this one of those dresses that I bought like unwillingly. I unwillingly bought this dress. I didn't like the way the guy was just talking. But well, when I got home, you see, I was just feeling the dress. It's kind of, it's giving like when you want to hang out maybe with your girls, yes, you can go with this. I even had to bring out my heel just to try it. So you're going to tell me like your review in the comment section. Thank you, love you. See a baby girl now, just dancing and feeling myself in the dress. And okay, this the is it a frock wear? I don't even know how they call this dress. So. But anyway, it's my casual wear. I'm going to be using it home. So yeah, but this one, okay, I'll be taking it to work. This dress is, yes, I just like, I don't know, it just looks simple. I actually do like something simple and nice. So yes, and oh god, this one is just like a casual wear. Like maybe when I'm going to the market to go out and buy food stuff, yeah, I can wear this one. Yes, it was giving shiganya shiki cuckoo. Oh my god. Voila, this is one of the dresses that I bought. Like, I really bought this dress. I like it. It's a skirt and a top. Like, I really do like this dress. I actually saw this dress on someone and I just love it. I don't know. So that's why I decided to buy mine. The dress was it was nice. I don't even forgot how much did I buy this dress. It wasn't that expensive. I think 7,000 francs. It was nice. And this gown, oh gosh, this is not my, I'm not going to be taking this gown to work. I just bought the gown because I like it. I love straight gowns. So if you're my fan here and you want to give me something, girls, you don't know what to give to me, you can give to me a straight gown. Yeah, I like it. It's so nice, soft, simple, and some of the dresses are from Zara because I bought some in the shop. But this dress, no. Like, I unwillingly bought this dress. Besides, it's not giving me the vibe I wanted. It's not even giving me the vibe I thought. Like, what the heck is this now? I don't like this dress. I don't like it. I don't know why, but it's not giving me. It's not giving. And there's this blue one. Oh, this blue one is one guy too that insisted I take this blue dress, and I like it. I really do love it. I cannot take it to work. It's like Sunday dress, yes, or when you are going out on Sunday, something like that, or in the evening when you want to go out or hang out with maybe friends or a date.